Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my March favorites. I can't believe March is pretty much over now. Honestly, you guys, this year is flying by so fast. Every favorites video, I'm like, what the f***? This is ridiculous. Like, time is just going by so freaking fast and it's crazy and it's just a lot to take in. But yes, for today's video, I am going to be talking to you guys about my March favorites. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Alright, what to start with? The first product I'm going to talk about is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour. I never thought I would love liquid contour as much as I do now. I feel like it just makes everything look so much more natural and seamless, and I can just go ahead and use this as a contour and then put some bronzer over top, and it just makes your skin look so nice and contoury. I love it, and I think it's only like $4 or $5. I really want to try the highlight on that now from Wet n Wild. I think I'm going to try that one next. It honestly feels so high-end. It stays on your face all day long. I honestly have absolutely no complaints about this. It's the perfect color. At first when I tried it on, I'm like, oh man, is this going to be too like orangey? Is this not the right color? But once I blended it out, it just sunk into the skin so beautifully and looks so seamless. If you guys are looking for a good drugstore liquid bronzer, check this one out. It is amazing. The next product I'm going to talk about is another Wet n Wild product. It is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in the shade Mellow Wine. You guys, this color, oh my god. The formula for these blushes is so freaking outstanding. Kathleen Lights was the one that was talking about this, and of course if Kathleen Lights was talking about it, then I'm gonna go out and buy it and check it out and try it for myself because I always listen to her recommendations. I think she is amazing when it comes to recommendations for drugstore items. You guys, this thing was literally like $2 or $3, and it is honestly one of the best blushes I have ever used in my entire life. My only complaint with this blush, it is very pigmented, and I'm a gal that does not like high pigmented blushes. I like to be able to build them up, but what you can do with this, very lightly tap your brush and just start blending it into the apples of your cheeks, and it looks so freaking beautiful. This lasts on my skin all day long. I never have any issues with it. It doesn't break me out. Wet n Wild products very rarely let me down. So if you guys are looking for a really great drugstore brand in general, check out Wet n Wild. They are awesome. The next products I have to talk about are the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. When I first started using them, I felt like I was doing something wrong. I felt like I just wasn't applying them right. But as soon as I figured out how to apply these, they started blending out nicer. There's still a little bit of fallout with these. That's my only issue with them, but there isn't as much fallout as there normally is with glitter, so I really can't complain that much. I went ahead and got the minis. It gave me like 3 of them for $20. So if you guys want to go and check them out for yourself, I highly recommend grabbing this. They're on Sephora.com. If you guys want to try them out for yourselves, that's where I got them. They're honestly great. The rumors are true. These colors are freaking gorgeous. I have them in the shade Rose Gold Retro, Kitten Karma, and Smoldering Satin. I have found the one I've used the most definitely is Kitten Karma, just because I feel like it goes with so many looks. So that's why I've been using this one up like crazy. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes that I want to talk about for this month. The first one is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. You guys, this palette, I'm freaking obsessed. It is the palette I am wearing on my eyes today. I did a review on this palette as a comparison to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Pretty much no difference. Obviously the Anastasia palette comes with a few more shadows, but pretty much every shadow in this palette is in comparison to that palette. So if you're looking for a great drugstore dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette, check out the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. It is amazing. So many good things to say about these, you guys. They are so pigmented. They last on the eyes all day long. I am obsessed. I have been using this up like crazy, and it is only $5. You can't beat that, just saying. The next palette I'm going to be talking about is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. I think it's called the hashtag Holy Grail because that's what it says on the back of here. I don't know, but it is the one that looks like these, and it has all of the beautiful cranberry shades. I love this palette so much, you guys. I love it. I love it. The shadows are so freaking blendable on the eyes. There is no fallout. They're so freaking pigmented. They last all day long. Never thought I would love Violet Voss shadows as much as I do. They are awesome. I love that it comes with this gorgeous high-def mirror. Check out the Violet Voss palettes. They are awesome. I don't know how the rest of them are, but if they're like this one, then they're all pretty great. I also did a first impressions video on that palette too, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I will also leave that one listed and linked down below. The next product I'm going to talk about, you guys, I love this brand so freaking much. It is the Endless Silky Eye Pen from the brand Pixi. I love Pixi products so much. Their stuff is so good. Jake's coworker Valerie is actually the one who gave this to me. This is one of the items she gave me. She gave me a ton of items to try out from Target, and thank you so much. I really appreciated that. This one was the one that really stuck out to me the most because for a drugstore eyeliner, this works like a high-end eyeliner. I've been using it so much recently. I've been using it a lot to tightline. It blends out so beautifully. It's so silky and creamy and buttery. I just love it so much, you guys. Lasts on my waterline all day long. No complaints about this. It's awesome. I don't know how the rest of them are yet. She recently gave me a few others to try out, so I'm going to be trying those out very soon as well. But so far, the black one, you guys, outstanding. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some lip products that I have really been dying for this month. One of these I've been using pretty much every single day. Whenever I go to school, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I put on some concealer, I do my brows, and then I'm out the door. But now I have been using this to put on my lips because I love it so much. It has become my new holy grail. It is the Josie Maron Lip Plumping Lip Butter. The color I have it in is Embrace It Honey. This is obviously the mini, just so you guys know. If you saw my first impressions video, was it my first impressions video? Oh, it was my unboxing video. That was it. If you guys watched my unboxing video, I unboxed this and I was so excited to use this. This is amazing. It honestly plumps up your lips and makes them look so freaking beautiful. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like your natural lips too, but just maybe with a little bit of a shine to it. It honestly is just like the perfect lip topper. I love using this on days when I'm having no makeup days. I'm probably gonna buy the regular size version because I honestly love this so much. It's such a good product. The next two lip products I have to talk about are Bite Beauty products, which I have been living for. I never realized how great Bite Beauty is. The first one is the lip pencil that is in the shade Glace. I think I did a first impressions on this color as well. I'll go ahead and link those videos down below for you guys if you want to check it out. You guys, the color of this is absolutely gorgeous. It applies like butter. It feels so nice and hydrating on the lips. Feels like I'm not wearing anything on my lips, and it lasts on your lips all day long. I'm not sure if Bite Beauty's lip products are supposed to be long lasting, but apparently they are. I found that out using this. If you're looking for a really good lip pencil and you don't mind spending a pretty penny on it, check this out. It's awesome. Just so you guys know, that was also the little mini. It's Sephora's new birthday gift that they've been giving out. They give a little mini Bite lipstick, and then they also give a little mini Bite lip pencil. Just so you guys know, if you guys had a little birthday coming up and you guys are a beauty insider, go ahead and check that out. Speaking of which, the next product I'm going to talk about is the Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Chai. It is the color I am wearing on my lips today. I am obsessed. The formula is amazing. It feels so nice on the lips. It feels so hydrating. This is something I would not mind wearing on my lips all night long. It also smells amazing too. I don't know what this smell is. It's like minty, but also a little bit citrusy. I don't know. Before I thought it smelled like a cough drop, but now I think it's something else. I don't know what it is, but their products smell so freaking good. Highly recommend checking out these lipsticks. They are so good. Ugh. I heard they have a lab too that I really want to check out. I think it's in New York. So next time I'm in New York, I really want to check it out. You can go and make your own lipstick. Yeah, I'm dying to do that. I think that would be so much fun. Bite Beauty is honestly awesome for doing stuff like that. I love them. The next product I'm going to talk about, I've been using this product like crazy. I have been breaking out quite a bit lately because I am currently in the process of Aunt Flo visiting, and it's not a fun time for my skin when that happens. It's just not a good time. This has honestly been helping me out so much. I forgot how much I love this. I used to use this like way back when for pimples, but now I've been using it a lot more again. And I'm just talking about plain old tea tree oil. If you guys saw my last favorites video, I have been super into essential oils. I highly recommend going and checking them out, especially if you guys have like anxiety. They're so great for that. There's honestly an oil for everything, so go and check that out. Tea tree oil is just such a great natural way to help your skin if you're having any breakouts or any skin damage. I will put this on a pimple before I go to bed at night, and then the next morning my pimple is either gone or the redness has gone down or the bump is a little bit smaller. It's honestly awesome. It's a great natural way to get rid of your pimples. I highly suggest going and checking out tea tree oil if you're having any breakout issues. It is amazing. I highly recommend just checking out essential oils in general. They are great for so many different reasons. And then the last product I have to talk about, I forgot how much I love this product. I used to use it so much way back in the day, but now I've been using it again so much more. It is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Every single time I use this, my hair just feels like brand new. It feels so soft. It feels so hydrated. My dead ends don't look as dead. And I think you can actually buy this brand at Target now. Ugh, it's just so freaking good. I love it so much, you guys. Definitely brought my hair back to life, so I had to include that in my March favorites. And yeah, you guys, that's everything. If you guys want, leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorites were for the month of March. I would love to hear some. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be, and I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. I can't. There we go. See, so I highlight on that now. The highlight other Wet n Wild product. What are these called? Duo. I believe I got Duo. There's not two of them. What's wrong with me?